Imagine you are rushing to catch a subway or bus, swipe your MetroCard, and it does not work. This can be a frustrating and unexpected delay during your New York City adventures. Many of us have experienced that moment of surprise, wondering what went wrong. The good news is that avoiding this situation is simple. To know when your MetroCard expires, you just need to check the date printed on the back of the card itself. MetroCards are designed with a limited lifespan, typically expiring about 1 year from the date of purchase or the first use. This expiration policy helps the Metropolitan Transportation Authority, or MTA, manage the cards circulating, ensures the technology remains current, and accounts for the natural wear and tear these cards experience from frequent use. The expiration date appears in a clear month/year format, such as 0 to /254 February 2025. This system helps keep the fare collection reliable and efficient for everyone. To locate this crucial date, simply turn your MetroCard over. You will find the expiration date printed in the bottom left corner, often in a slightly smaller font. It is a good practice to check this date periodically, especially before you plan a big trip or if you know your card is nearing its 1-year mark. If the printing has faded or is unreadable, do not worry. You can simply present your card to a station agent at any subway station, and they will be able to tell you the exact expiration date using their equipment. It is also important to note a key distinction between unlimited ride MetroCards and pay-per-ride cards. While both have a printed expiration date, an unlimited ride card will stop working after the last day of the purchase time period, even if the printed date on the card is still in the future. Pay-per-ride cards, however, remain as active until their balance is depleted or the printed expiration date is reached. If your card does expire with a balance remaining, you have up to 2 years from that expiration date to transfer the value to a new card, which is a really helpful feature to remember. By regularly checking your MetroCard's expiration date, you are taking a simple yet powerful step to ensure smooth and uninterrupted travels throughout New York City. This small habit can save you time and hassle, letting you focus on enjoying all the amazing experiences the city has to offer without any unexpected stops at the turnstile.